such as the development of autonomous weapons or the violation of privacy. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly advancing field that has the potential to transform many industries and aspects of our daily lives. In this article, we will delve deeper into the different types of AI and explore some of the key benefits and challenges associated with this emerging technology. Types of artificial intelligence. There are two main types of AI, narrow or weak AI, and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, such as speech recognition or image classification. It is the most common type of AI today and is used in a wide variety of applications, including virtual assistants, chatbots, and recommendation systems. General AI, on the other hand, is designed to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. It is still largely in the realm of science fiction, but researchers are working to develop machines that can reason, learn, and make decisions like humans. Benefits of artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to bring many benefits to society, including increased efficiency, improved accuracy, and enhanced decision-making. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop personalized treatment plans, analyze medical data, and improve patient outcomes. In finance, AI is being used for fraud detection, risk management, and algorithmic trading. In transportation, AI is being used for autonomous vehicles, traffic optimization, and predictive maintenance. In education, AI is being used for personalized learning, student assessment, and intelligent tutoring systems. Challenges of artificial intelligence. While the benefits of AI are vast, there are also significant challenges associated with this emerging technology. One of the biggest challenges is the ethical and social implications of AI. As AI becomes more advanced and ubiquitous, there are concerns about job displacement, privacy violations, and the potential misuse of AI for harmful purposes. There are also concerns about bias and discrimination in AI systems, which can lead to unfair outcomes for certain groups of people. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly expanding field that is transforming many industries and aspects of our daily lives. In this article, we will explore some of the key trends and developments in AI, as well as some of the challenges and opportunities associated with this emerging technology. Trends in artificial intelligence. One of the biggest trends in AI is the rise of deep learning algorithms. These algorithms are designed to process large amounts of data and identify patterns and insights that would be difficult or impossible for humans to discern. Deep learning is being used in a wide range of applications, from image and speech recognition to natural language processing and predictive analytics. Another trend in AI is the increasing use of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to user queries and provide personalized recommendations and assistance. Chatbots and virtual assistants are being used in a wide range of industries, from customer service and healthcare to finance and education. Challenges and opportunities of artificial intelligence. One of the biggest challenges of AI is the ethical and social implications of the technology. AI has the potential to bring significant benefits, but it also raises concerns about job displacement, privacy violations, and the potential misuse of AI for harmful purposes. There are also concerns about bias and discrimination in AI systems, which can lead to unfair outcomes for certain groups of people. However, there are also many opportunities associated with AI. AI has the potential to improve efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making in many industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and education. It can also help address some of the biggest challenges facing society, such as climate change, poverty, and disease.